Hey guys, Jared with Munitions with another BattlBox video. So guys, I just got my BattlBox 2 days ago, and I haven't played with it yet. So they don't have the videos out for a little bit after I get this now, which is pretty cool. And I'm covered in flies. And kind of like current 1776, I'm in our backyard, sort of. Just 3 hours to get out here. So instead of just actually in his backyard, let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside her. The wind's picking up, so I hope you guys can hear me. I'm trying to keep the camera out of the sun. UV is a little strong up here. So this is going to be Mission 88. Boom. Put my water bottle there. Keep that guy from flowing up. So Mission 88. As always, I get the Pro Plus box. They actually just sent out a email about changing the shipping rates and stuff like that, just because of gas and everything else. And ooh, it's kind of cool. So I'm cheating by looking at the stuff. Like usual, we're going to start with the basic box. And the first thing in the basic box is a book, Inside Editions Total Knife Manual. Where is that? There it is. Boom. So I'll have to get some close-ups of these later. But oh, it's kind of cool. Damascus steel. Got some of that stuff. So this is kind of a cool little book. It's like a hard, soft case or soft cover. Actually, it looks like you could. It teaches you how to use certain knives. Also, how to baton, how to scan, where to cut, killing certain animals with knives. So that's kind of cool. Ooh, history of Bowie knives. So that's pretty cool. $29 on their website. So the Total Knife Manual. So first thing in the basic box. Second thing in the basic box, which is pretty cool because I mean I already have a few of these and never can have enough of these. My Medic Super Bivy. So I'm not gonna take it out, one because of the wind, and these are a pain in the ass to undo and put it back in. So, well, not really to undo, but to put it back in. So this is a good thing. I'm just gonna leave this one in the truck. As you can see, we're out about today, and it's nice out here, man. We're literally well, it took about 3 hours to get up here. There's some rough terrain. We're on Dead Horse Trail out here outside of Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're at the top of the trail pretty much, and it's pretty cool, to be honest with you. There's some pine trees over here. Actually, you could smell the pine when you got up here. Definitely really neat. So recommend getting out and doing this stuff. Figured, hey, I just got the BattlBox, I'm going out, might as well do some outdoor stuff with the outdoor stuff. So pretty cool. Thank you for that. This is $24.95 on their website. So yeah, Super Bivy. It's to keep you warm. You can actually use it as like a little sleeping bag. It has a little picture of a sloth inside of it. So if it reflects your heat, it keeps your body heat retained, especially in colder weather. It does say that it's windproof, waterproof, and it is a quiet material, which, you know, usually most bivvies, it feels like aluminum foil or like very, very noisy. This does not feel that way, just the little bit of squeezing I'm playing with. So that's definitely a nicer quality, and I'll have to play with that one for sure later. So that's pretty cool. Thank you for that. $24.95, like I said, on their website. Next thing in the basic box is the Gear Aid Extra Duty 1100 Paracord. Oh, 1100. It's reflective black. And let's see here. This is what, 100 feet? 50 feet. Wow. Some thick stuff. And got a nice little carabiner with it. So that's pretty cool. I actually got a shit ton of 550 or 550 cord, yeah, in the back seat of the truck. So this will go good with that. All carry-beanered up. So I'll have to undo this and then rewrap everything to make it easier to use for later. So definitely really cool. Appreciate that. This is $14.95 on their website. I do know that you could get this in other places. GRAYL's a mass-produced thing. Just in case you didn't know, this carabiner is not meant for climbing. I would hope that somebody didn't think that you could, but I'm sure they have that on there for a reason. So don't use that one for climbing. Yeah, GRAYL, you could get it pretty much everywhere. We could actually get this at the shop, if I remember right, through some of our distributors. So definitely pretty cool. Always like this stuff. Never could have enough cordage, especially in where you go out and do a whole bunch of cool stuff. So definitely pretty cool. So 3 things, basic box. Let's see here, what, 15 bucks, 25 bucks, and 29 bucks. So 40, 70-ish bucks, basic box. So pretty cool. And I want to say again, the basic box is only like 35 bucks, man. So you guys know, you know, you're made up like 40 bucks almost. Pretty cool. Good stuff. Thanks, BattlBox. Next thing in this BattlBox is the advanced box. So advanced box, it's going to be the SLNT Faraday dry bag, which I'm assuming is this guy. And it is 2.5 liters. It is $49.95 on their website, and oh, it is a Faraday bag along with a dry bag. That's pretty cool. I've been actually meaning to get some Faraday bags, so this is pretty cool. Faraday bags, if you guys are not familiar, keep your electronics safe. So like in the event of an EMP or if RFID chips, GPS stuff, you don't want anybody to find you, you put your electronics in there, and I can just close this thing up, you know, and then tie this thing up here. One, it's going to keep it dry from the elements, and then 2, it's going to keep my electronics safe from an EMP blast. So that's pretty cool. I've been, again, meaning to buy Faraday bags, which I'm glad now I got. So thank you, BattlBox, for that one. $50 for this. Some Faraday bags are, they do vary in price. It does look like you could definitely sling this up and over. So that's kind of cool. Comes with a nice little shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap came inside it, and it came with a cool little discount code, so I could get more stuff from SLNT. And this is actually really nice quality. Very nice canvas. Well, not canvas material, but I got polyester, plastic-ish, I guess, material. It doesn't, I don't think it says on the thing, does it? No, doesn't say. But yeah, it says it blocks cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS signal, satellite navigation, key fob, EMF, EMP, RFID/NFC, water, and solar. So that's pretty cool. Solar being like solar flares. For those of you that were not aware what it meant for solar, it doesn't like just keep it safe from the sun. Solar flares can disrupt electrical devices and make them to where they're not working. So that's pretty cool. And if you're out and about and maybe travel along the river just to keep your electronics dry, you know, drop your stuff in there. If it's not waterproof, my Android is. You know, roll her up, get all the air out of it. Roll her up, strap her together, and then, you know, you got yourself a nice little dry bag, and it's protected. So definitely pretty cool. I have to remember to get my phone out of there later. So $49.95. So for those 2 boxes, you're looking at, let's see here, what, 120 bucks. So the advanced box, I want to say, is about 70, which is pretty cool. So definitely getting some good stuff. The next part of this box is the Pro Box. And this is something I've been meaning to get for a while. So thank you again for sending this. It's the GRAYL 16.9 ULTRAPRESS Purifier. So the way this guy works, where's my fancy dancy little Revo knife that I got from BattlBox. Whoop. And then, so this guy, it's 2 parts. So you put your water in there, and you have a press filter. So put your water up through this guy, and you're gonna sit here and you're gonna press all the way down, and it's going to go down. It's gonna be a lot harder than that to get in there. Actually, the Faraday bag works because my Bluetooth signal went out and it just beeping in my ear. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, you're just gonna purify your water with this guy. This guy's really cool. So it's another way, a source of purifying water. It does come with a nice little strap. Ooh, little topographical stuff on the top. That's kind of cool. Nice little thing to carry. Last month it came with those little module strap things, so you can definitely strap that to your bag if you need to. Most bags have a little holder for that, but nice little GoPro, you suck. So just noticed that it overheated in the middle of talking about the GRAYL pressing filter. So the parts that I left out was you can get replaceable filters for this. It does remove 99.99% of viruses, 99.99999, I don't know if I said enough nines, percent of bacteria, which is E. coli, Salmonella, Distera. Some nasty stuff there. Giardia, or whatever. Everybody says it fucking different. 99.9% of that stuff. Removes particulates, chemicals, heavy metals and stuff from your water. So definitely pretty cool. It does give you instructions on the back, so I'll try to get a nice little image of that. And it does, I don't know if it got that part on video, so I'll have to check. It does recommend doing a half turn on the lid when you're pressing to vent it out. So another nice little thing that I've been meaning to buy for a while. It is about 90 bucks from their website, and I want to say that's about average I've seen everywhere else. Really nice product. A lot of guys that go out and do stuff that I've been trying to go do when I have free time. It has these, and it does work really well. So let's see here, what else? About 120 bucks with the advanced box. Add 90 bucks to that, so you're about 210. So 210 bucks for just a Pro box. And the Pro Plus box with shipping is 189. So still saving money, and I haven't gotten to that part yet, which is the knife of the month. Knife of the month is a Fox knife. I have to use a knife to open. It is the Air Fox. Sounds like a cute name. It is kind of cute. It's small. Little folder. Just like a little nice little pocket folder. Really nice little EDC style knife. I like the grips. This is a lot nicer than that fancy knife I got a couple boxes ago. I don't remember which box it was. But this is definitely nicer than that. Nice little 90-degree edge on the back. Stuff. If you did not get